Hi there, in this quick video we will be taking a look at this Kaminer heat-powered stove fan, because it does not have any batteries and it relies on the heat from here, heating up one side of a Peltier element, and the other side is cooled down by all of the fins. Fins which in turn are kept cooler than the foot, by the blades themselves. So yeah, this is the model YL-504, or this, who knows why there are two of them, and it's kind of like this. Without fan, heat rises directly, the fan will blow it more horizontally through your room. And yeah, that's about all she wrote, so let's open it. Small manual. Ooh, this honestly is beefier than what I was expecting. There's a lot of aluminum in here, honestly, so that's a good thing in my book. Another good thing would be if I knew how to open this up. And I have no clue how to do that. Now I think we can just pull it out slowly to not bend it. This is actually cool. So in here we have the little motor driving the blade. You can see the Peltier element, it's quite obvious. If you look online, not many of them have the Peltier element this visible. It's like they somehow wanted us to see it. There's no rocket science. Hot side, cold side, the bigger the temperature between the two, higher the voltage that is pumped into this little motor. The wires go through here, so from the Peltier element they come... Need more light. From the Peltier element they go through the plastic and come on this side, and then through a plug go into the motor, and you can see the motor right there. And yes, this motor will stand lots of heat. This is also metal, but presumably it was designed in such a way that it can withstand that, and it's moving really easily. Quite cool. So yeah, nothing more, nothing less. If you want to see any more info, here it is. We'll be putting this to work. Okay, what is this for? I've got no clue about that. Let's read the manual. Cool. Taking a look at the manual. If you want, here is English. I will show you the important things. We have the tiny handle right here, which comes out but also goes in here, so it's out of sight more or less when it's in. Foot of this thing, and what's really important, don't put it in front of the chimney, or I don't know, exhaust pipe, whatever you want to call it, because then it will draw hot air from it and it will not be able to properly cool down its fins, and it relies on being able to cool down its fins to have a temperature differential, or temperature delta between the fins and the foot. So put it to the side and to the back of your stove. Here you can read the info. This is the working range, but it's happiest in here, up to 250 degrees or 482 Fahrenheit. Do not go above 350. And yep, that's basically about it. Let's put it to work. And shortly for my Romanian viewers, here it is. Still don't know what this is and what it does. Could it be material that when it gets hot, it will bend slightly and lift it a tiny bit. I don't know. Maybe not. Probably not. I don't know what it is. Doesn't say anything about it in the manual. As you can see, obviously it's here, but nothing is said about it. Making the first test fire in here, and this thing already started to do what it needs to do. Just from a bit of heat from a absolutely tiny fire. So really efficient and does the trick. And I should move it right in the middle. I think that's normal, or actually not. No, it's not normal. I just remember, no, you shouldn't put it right in the middle next to the chimney. It needs to be on the side. If you want to see the fan doing its thing, ignore that right in the middle. That will be on the chimney itself, that disc. But look at it. It's basically taking the heat from the stove and redirecting it into the room, which is obviously not happening anywhere else because there's no air movement like the fan creates right here. And that's about it for the video. This fan is awesome. I'm almost thinking of buying a second one, but this is not that big. I don't know if a second one would make sense, but it's so good at spreading this heat inside the room that I wouldn't think of having a stove without it. So yeah, and yes, it's spinning faster than you can see on video. It's just about the frame rate and the speed it's spinning at. Anyway, there's that. But yeah, hope the video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.